Everyone can draw. Everyone and everything are unique creation. Art, sketch, portrait, piece of art, emotions, culture. God is the ultimate creator. Hi friends, good morning to everyone. So today I will make this video for beginner artists, especially freshers who starts their art journey very new. So more clearly, when a student goes first time for their arts lessons for art schools. Okay, so in this video I will share you sufficient art materials to start a art journey. So at first you don't need to buy any expensive art materials because you don't need it. When you achieve a level in art, so then you can explore many art fields, mediums like acrylic colors, oil paintings and watercolors, pastels, soft pastels, charcoals, and etc etc. So at first you need some sufficient materials to achieve a fundamental art backgrounds that's help to increase your skills and develop your uh, style. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so to draw something we should need a base. So for base we can buy a drawing board. So if you cannot bear some extra money, you can buy these types of exam board. uh, this cost by an Indian rupees. You can buy it by I think 100 to 200 rupees easily. Okay, and then you can buy these types of heavy drawing board. So this cost is I think 500 rupees. You can buy it easily in market, your nearby market. It is easily available in every market. Okay, so now we need a paper. You can buy it these types of normal Xerox paper, and this price is only 2 rupees, sorry, 1 rupees in every stationery shops. It is available, so you can buy it by 1 rupees. Or if you save, if you want to saving your money, you can brought these types of newsprint paper. Okay, I will show you how is it look like. I cut it actually. It's called newsprint paper. Okay, so it is very important for artists. So one bunch of this paper, 12 pieces I think, only 30 rupees I think I buy it, and you can cut it according to your use. Okay, and then you can buy to draw a fine works. This types of drawing book. This cost is 108 rupees. I buy it from my nearby market, so you can also buy it. Okay, it is easily available from every art stores or your stationery stores in your nearby. You can buy it. Okay, then you need a pencil. Now I will show you what types of pencil. So it is a 10B pencil. It is an Apsara pencil. It is an Indian brand pencil. So it is easily available in every stationery or arts store. Okay, at very beginning stage, you buy a 2B pencil and 6B pencil and 8B pencil and 10B pencil. Okay, and then you need a normal eraser 5 rupees eraser, okay, and a normal sharpener, okay. You know how a normal sharpener looks like. So nut is also a 5 rupee sharpener, and it is, you can buy it easily from your nearby art material stores or stationery stores, okay. And then you can buy, so it is a pastel color, domes pastel color, and different types of brand available in market, but domes is cheapest. And you can also buy Apsaras and Camlin is best, I think. So at first you brought 12 shades, okay. Don't 32 shades or 52 shades, because it is waste for money. First you buy only 12 shades, and then when you achieve a master level in pastel, you can buy 52 shades or 32 shades, 28 shades of pastel colors, okay. So it is priced 35 rupees, sorry, 40 rupees only. And it is also easily available in every nearby your stationery stores or art stores, okay. If you like this video, so please subscribe my YouTube page Chitrakola, and like, comment and share and click the bell icon. And you can also follow my Instagram Anjashnu and Facebook page Chitrakola. So bye for now, hope you like it. Bye.